Today another video is brought to you by Everyday Tech for Today. Before we start, make sure to hit that subscribe button, and until next week, so you get notified every single time we post a new video. Also, if you enjoyed this video, please smash the like button. It will encourage us to make more videos for you. Before we'll move any further, I want to let you know about Liquid 1V. If you are an active person, or you live in a dry climate, it is vital that you maintain your hydration. Unfortunately, most people do not get enough fluids during the day. Their mission is to change the world by providing the best product. Only one stick and you will feel a multiply in your hydration, energy and immune support. Liquid IV have donated over 9M sticks worldwide with 30k positive reviews. The link to purchase Liquid 1V is in the description, and for 25% discount use the code EverydayTech for today. Today, our topic is the DJI Osmo Action. Here are its features. Osmo Action. Unleash your other side. Live the action. Whether you want to record your world from behind a lens or be the star of the show, Osmo Action's dual screens allow you to capture it all with the touch of a button. A vivid front screen lets you frame yourself effortlessly in any setting, while the back screen delivers a crystal-clear, hyper-responsive display. This durable, versatile action camera is jam-packed with advanced technology that lets you spend less time worrying about equipment and more time living the action. Made to move. After years of providing advanced, reliable stabilization technology to filmmakers around the globe, DJI has gone one step further. RockSteady combines ICE with complex algorithms, delivering stable, shake-free footage no matter how heavy the action gets. More dynamic detail with HDR video. Dramatically enhance the dynamic range of your footage when recording with HDR video. This shooting mode delivers natural transitions between light and dark areas, capturing rich details that are often lost in environments with complex lighting. Take your best shot. Osmo Action packs a high-quality punch with 4K, 60 FPS at 100 megabits per second video. This ensures your footage always matches the intensity of the moment while maintaining sharp details. Creative shooting modes. 8x slow motion. Capture every epic move with jaw-dropping clarity and detail when you use 8x slow motion with 1080p resolution and 240 FPS. Custom exposure settings. Shoot for the stars with manual and semi-automatic settings that allow up to 120 seconds of exposure, perfect for capturing the night sky. Time-lapse. Condense time and movement for stunning, easy-to-achieve results. Timed shooting mode. Set up timed raw shots, perfect for post-processing and additional control. Custom mode. For simplified use and upgraded efficiency, custom mode lets you store, list, and select frequently used shooting modes and exposure settings. QS button. The quick switch button ensures modes and settings are easily and quickly accessible. It has multiple capabilities including options that let you flip between the front and back screen, change modes, and select custom settings. Snapshot. Snapshot means you'll never miss a moment of the action. Press the shutter button to power on and begin recording in under 2 seconds. Pressing the shutter button once when the camera is in sleep mode or powered off engages preset shooting modes. Voice control. 5 voice commands make essential functions like filming, capturing photos, and powering down the device effortless. Built for impact. 11mm waterproof. Sporting a watertight seal and a hydrophobic coating on the back touchscreen, Osmo Action is waterproof at depths of up to 11 meters, making it the perfect underwater companion. 3 layers, safe from the elements. The lens features 3 aspherical layers that effectively reduces glare and distortion, delivering a crystal clear image even in direct sunlight. -10 degrees Celsius temperature resistant. Versatile batteries perform well even in extremely cold environments with temperatures as low as -10. 16% more efficient cooling. Featuring a 16% increase in efficiency, this carefully designed heat transfer system allows generated heat to be quickly dissipated. DJI Mimo app. The DJI Mimo app is filled with intuitive features and powerful editing tools, so you can get the most out of your Osmo Action. Story templates allow you to edit and share the exciting highlights of your life to social media instantly. Specifications. Brand. DJI. Model name. DJI Osmo Action. Special feature. Waterproof, time-lapse. Video capture resolution. 4K. Connectivity technology. Wi-Fi protocol 802.11a, beeper gram, N, AC, Bluetooth protocol BLE 4.2. Charging time. 90 minutes. What's in the box? Included in the box is the camera, a USB-C cable, a battery case with battery and SD card holder, a flat mount, a curved mount, camera cage and attachment screw.